How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get yourself a Hong Kong IP address. Before we begin, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a top 3 VPNs video if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. So I've tested a couple dozen VPNs, and these are definitely going to be the best if you're needing a VPN that secures your data and easily bypasses the geo restrictions. Okay, so all you need to do is just go to Hong Kong, okay, and connect to the server. Whatever VPN you use will do just fine. So let's go ahead and connect. Previously, I was just connected to the Norwegian server, so that's why on my IP checker, it shows as if I'm in Norway. But as soon as I'm connected to ExpressVPN's Hong Kong server, all I need to do is go to my IP checker. You can use any IP checker, it doesn't really matter, just to check that I am indeed connected to the Hong Kong server, and that's how you can get yourself a Hong Kong IP address. Of course, all of these VPNs do have Hong Kong IP addresses, or servers rather, and it's the same. Let me just show you guys with Surfshark. So that is pretty much it with this video. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as the top 3 VPNs video if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. These are perfect VPNs to bypass geo restrictions or simply secure your device if you're on public Wi-Fi and whatnot. Also, keep in mind that all these VPNs are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out these servers for 30 days risk-free. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.